Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions Affordable Medical. Here's the Ally Power Chair. We talk about it a lot, but there's a couple new accessories that we're speaking about today in this video. Headrest, remote control, heated seat pad, and we do have a cup holder, but we're trying to fix it, re-engineer it a little bit, so we're not going to talk about that too much. We have a video coming out. It's going to show you how to install this. But here's what's neat about this is it's just a little hand remote. Now this is a Bluetooth power wheelchair. It's a smart chair, has a lot of cool features. You can operate this chair with your phone, but it's a little bit easier to operate it with this little remote. And you might not need this, but the benefit that this will bring is, say if you want to pull up to a table closer, you can bring these arms back and then you can control it with this remote. Also, if you wanted to call it to your chair, if you're in a recliner, and you wanted it to come to you, I can actually bring it over here once you get used to how to use it. And then when I get out of my lift recliner, I can transfer over. Or if I'm getting out of it into my chair and it's in the way to recline, then you can just call it away from it. See how it moved it back? You can control the speed with this. You can lock it out and you can turn it off. The other thing that's pretty neat is this headrest. This headrest is pretty easy to put on once you learn how to put it on, but you can move this around and it's adjustable in height. Now the only downfall to it is when you fold this up, it does extend a little bit, so it's not as compact as it is without it. But if you're in this chair and you need a headrest, this is a nice accessory. And then for all the people up north, or anybody that needs more, if they want heat, we do have a new cushion that has heat, and it plugs right into the joystick, so you can get a heated seat, a heated cushion on it. So there's a couple accessories that has been added for the Ally Power Chair. Watch some of the videos on this. If you have any questions, or if you're looking to order one of this, it comes in 3 colors, a teal, a white, and a black, and it's TSA approved. And it's pretty nice because you can fold this thing up and travel with it. So you just press that button and it just flips right over. Again, this makes it a little bit longer here, but you can still pull it up, pick it up. It's kind of in the way a little bit, but if you need that headrest, it's there for you, and then it just flips right back, just like so. So any questions about the Ally, give me a call at 803-926-2224. Thank you so much.